Around the world, businesses need to be modernized through intelligent condition monitoring, real-time asset management, and accurate positioning. That's why we've created the Qualcomm Aware Platform, an innovative IoT solution that drives the digital transformation of industries. Using a suite of web tools and APIs specifically built to create a seamless connection between Qualcomm's vast technology library and hardware ecosystem through the cloud, developers and enterprises can easily create scalable and security-focused solutions to address specific business needs. Whether using a location tracker with sensors to monitor motion, temperature, and pressure, a peel-off label to position goods and detect tampering, or an ultra-compact sensor to identify tilting utility poles. The Qualcomm Aware Platform delivers awareness to any industrial IoT use case in a power-optimized and security-focused way. Data insights can be viewed in real time through dedicated dashboards, partner clouds, and many leading enterprise resource planning applications. So whether tracking the location and condition of goods, assets, and fleets, managing inventory and logistics, or monitoring the operations of critical infrastructure, the Qualcomm Aware Platform empowers developers and enterprises to create digital transformation solutions for any industry.